Financial analysts lacking cash flow analysis skills deliver incomplete insights, struggling to advise decisions needing cash rationale. They model profitability without underlying liquidity presentations, overlook short-term trade-offs, causing blindsided leadership when funding gaps appear mid-project. Master cash flow analysis to uplift planning contributions. This program delivers proficiency forecasting, analyzing and presenting clear liquidity guidance critical for leadership decisions. Hone techniques modeling cash cycles, ratios, impacts in actual company scenarios. For example, projecting rate change effects, inventory policy shifts on cash outlooks to inform executive recommendations. Equipped with versatile skills, FAs inform decisions through indispensable liquidity insights. Illustrate cash trade-offs from proposals, time funding gaps to guide strategy amid market fluctuations. Leadership has visibility into cash runway impacts when navigating priorities, enabling resilient planning. Individually, analysts gain career-advancing skills meeting expanding cash flow analysis, modeling and forecasting demands with new mastery. Enroll now and amplify essential cash flow analysis and modeling capabilities for strategic decision support.